That'll...
Honestly, I just think she fell off it or something. Put it back.
Good.
Right.
In the garden, the Poles set about building the greenhouse. And with his usual sense of urgency, James started on the shed.
Ooh. Oh, yes.
Hammond, meanwhile, was preparing to dig the foundations for his rivers of gravel.
Hammond! What? You've got to wear that.
What?
You've got to wear that.
Why?
Because health and safety say it'll keep you healthy and safe.
Safe from what? Right.
With Hammond protected from certain death, I got cracking with my water feature.
Right, I want a trench 4 yards long, 1 yard wide, metre, and 1 metre deep. A trench. Trench. But like Charles Bronson, he was Polish in The Great Escape. Go on, dig. Dig. Dig.
Quantity 1, heavy-duty workshop door end. Heavy-duty workshop plane end. 2 heavy-duty workshop window panels, yes. 2 heavy-duty workshop plane
This was
panels.
ridiculous. James had to be reminded that we were against the clock.
Isn't it? But you've spent like half an
Yeah, but
hour.
if the screws are not in the right lengths in the wrong holes, you get end up at
Just-
the end of the shed with the wrong screw left over and it won't be long enough. And then you have to dismantle the whole
build
thing
the
again.
shed.
I'm building the shed.
You're not
This is
building
part
the
of
shed,
building
you're
the shed.
naming your
You-
tools. Is this your tape measure?
Might be.
Right, before we go any further, it's time for a quick reminder of why Alan has just shot a tape measure.
It was a conscious decision to kill myself.
Every year, around 6,000 people in the UK are so unhappy that they take their own lives. That's over 100 people a week.
It just got all too much.
Sport Relief Money is working hard to be there for people when they need it most.
Don't give up. Sport Relief is raising vital money to help people in trouble all over the UK.
Our son Andrew is 14. He disappeared one Friday morning and we've heard absolutely nothing of him since.
Don't give up.
Missing people